Hi, I'm Sarah, the founder of Glow Skin Body, and I am with Sarah, who is a senior educator with Dermalogica, and she's taking us through the newest product in the Dermalogica range, a very innovative and unique product, the Melting Moisture Masque. And this is a product that, like no other that you have used, and we are so excited to use this product on our skin. So thank you for joining us, Sarah.
You're so welcome. It's lovely to be here.
So it's unique. It's all I have to say, actually. So talk to me about really what it is.
Yeah. So the Melting Moisture Masque is just a really innovative formula. As the name suggests, melting moisture. So it's really positioned for those drier, more dehydrated skins. You might find that as your skin gets older, it gets a little drier, a little bit more dehydrated. But also as we move through the different seasons, when you move into more of an autumn and winter season, your skin might also start to feel a little bit drier and dehydrated. The uniqueness of this particular product is that we have a melting point complex. And so that really works with your skin and your skin's body temperature. So as the product comes out of the bottle, it's quite a thick cream. But as you start to move it over the skin, the temperature of the skin enables that mask to melt, and it literally melts through the layers of your skin. It's absolutely amazing.
I have actually goosebumps now while you're talking to me, and it feels amazing. It feels so creamy. It feels luxurious. And you're right, it just literally melts into the skin, which is phenomenal. Yeah.
You know, the other top thing about this mask, which everybody is going to love, is that it's a leave-on product.
Yeah, great.
So when you're time poor, and quite often, you know, as therapists, we hear, I don't have time to do a mask. I don't have time. I don't, you know, I don't want to lie down with cucumbers over my eyes. This is something that you can pop on at night. You can pop it on over the top of your other Dermalogica actives and serums, for example, if you wanted to. You can leave it on if you want to tissue off any additional residue, and then you can go to sleep. So it really is that one mask that you can leave on, and it will just wash off in the morning.
So this is perfect for any of you who really find it hard to be able to use a mask, and really focusing on your self-care at this time as well, which is really important.
Definitely.
So what ingredients are in the Melting Moisture Mask that really make it so amazing?
Oh, well, we have, as you can imagine, it's just loaded with oils. So we have ingredients like shea butter, which gives it that beautiful creamy. There's sunflower, there's jojoba, there's mimosa seed, there is linoleic acid. It's just loaded with these beautiful oils, all designed to be very compatible with the skin, to not only feed the skin where it's dry, but also to support a dehydrated skin where the barrier is maybe a little impaired and you're losing water. So it's really great for not just a drier skin, but also a dehydrated skin too.
And what about those skins that have the combination where they get that classic oil shine through their T-zone? Would you recommend it
Absolutely, I would. I mean, if your skin is really a breakout skin, you might find this is a little too intense for that skin. But quite often what we find is that our combination skin can be quite dry around the cheek area, and although you've got the oil from your sebaceous gland, your sebum here, the barrier is impaired and this area can be quite dehydrated. So definitely, I think it would be amazing for that area. But equally, if you feel this is just too oily, you might decide to just use the mask on the drier areas and leave this area without.
Yeah, great. So how often would you recommend, for best results, how often to use the Melting Moisture Mask?
You could easily use this 2 to 3 times a week. And you could leave it on overnight and your skin would just feel super soft and amazing. But equally, you're going to see an improvement from just using it once a week as well.
Fantastic. We are so excited for this product. It feels incredible on the skin, and we know you're going to love it as well. If you would like any more information on the new Melting Moisture Mask, click on the link below. If you need any advice as to which Dermalogica product will be right for you, please visit our website and click on advice.